Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about what happens exactly in the warehouse in the real time when the stock or when the goods are arrived at the warehouse. So let's see how does the process happen in real time exactly. So real time goods received. Real time goods received. Okay, so real-time goods receipt, how does it happen, we are going to see in this video. So technically we see that Migo, or if it is WM, and we have additional steps and all. Let's take it. The container or truck arrived at the warehouse. If you take countries like New Zealand or even Malaysia, Singapore, these and all, mostly they will have a containers. Okay, this container will be taken by any truck, and this will have a linkage. So the truck will be going out and the container will be left in the warehouse. It will have a door and all the stuff. And if you take India, and where there is a lot of road transport, for example, if you want to move a material from, if you are buying from a Delhi vendor to Visakhapatnam, then the stock will come mostly by the road only. And if you are buying from any other external foreign countries, mostly the ship. So the container will come, and this is a truck, and this one is the container. So we can say this is container and truck. So high difference will be like the truck will be completely linked with that truck will be there, and container just it's the small truck, just from the port to the warehouse they will get that port to warehouse. So whatever the stock has received at the warehouse, once the process comes, so the truck driver or the container when it coming from the warehouse, the first what they do, they are going to take you few documents. Okay, whether it is a container or a truck, let it be. So once the physically goods are coming, they will go to, so either this one or this one, whoever. First there will be a department. Let's take it, the department name is, let's take the department name is maybe stores or logistics, okay, whatever the team. And even they could give you some kind of a document at the when they're arriving at the gate pass also. So there are different business processes I have seen in my experience, okay, in different countries, and I consolidated, and I am planning to explain you today based on the more common cases. Okay, so he will come up with few documents. What kind of documents he can bring? So he will give the documents verification, mostly like, I think it's too much light color, to go to our favorite black. So he will give the documents like packing slip, invoice copy. Okay, so mostly the packing slip and invoice copy, two mandatory documents. And if they have any other gate pass or any other special tax invoice, okay, any additional if they have any additional tax invoice copies and all will be there. But most of the common thing is the packing slip. The packing slip contains what is the purchase order number and what is the quantity, everything. If they are using inbound delivery, then the inbound delivery details will be there, or else the purchase order, how much quantity was ordered, how much quantity was delivered, that information will be available in the packing slip. Invoice copy contains that what is the PO, how much quantity was delivered, and what is the price and what is the tax, and if they have any tax information will be there, or else what the price and shipping charges, those information will be available. So the stores person will verify the packing slip, everything, and then he will send a person to the unloading activity. So physically a person will come here. So there will be physically a person will come, and he will verify the goods, how many goods are received, at least the number of quantity they are going to check it, how much total quantity was received. Okay, ordered 100, and received 99. Okay, whatever, they just get that one, ordered quantity and 99 received quantity. So ordered quantity and received quantity they verify and they will inform there. So then they will post this team, the same team. Okay, either they have verification team. Here only they will do the. I'm going to explain you in a way of let's take it inventory management. I don't want to include warehouse management where there will be additional steps. You may get confused. For now, we'll take it like the company is using inventory management. So the physical goods, and here they will post with MIGO of 99 pieces. Okay. Leave about SAP, or this process can be applicable for any kind of ERP they are using. MIGO can tell you about SAP, but normally you can receive the quantity, and this 99 pieces will go to the godown. They would have a big warehouse godown. In that warehouse godown, they will keep the stock. So they can keep the stock. It's like a stores or logistics. That's the office team, and here this is the warehouse. Okay. So in the warehouse, they will come and keep the materials. So let's keep it. They will store all the materials based on the they have a racking, or else so they have a floor. Okay, the boxes, they will just store it. So once the MIGO is completed, the goods receipt is completed, right? So after they have done the goods receipt, this invoice copy will be sending to the finance team. So invoice copy will be sending to finance team. So let's take it. Here there is a finance team here. Okay, so it will come to finance. So the finance team will be taking that all invoices. Accounting team, generally companies call accounting team. So the accounting team do the verification. So they will do the verification. Okay. So they do the verification with Miro. If it is SAP we are using, then they will do the verification. Once they have done the verification, all the vendor balances will be there. Automatic payment or manual payment, that will be done. So once the physical goods are arrived, and the physical goods will be verified, and the quantity only they do the MIGO, and the physical copies are generally packing slip, invoice copy, and if you have any additional tax invoices or any road tax, those kind of forms also will be given, but packing slip and invoice copy will play the key role. So they have any bill of lading information. Okay, so any invoice copy, any other information they can share it. The packing slip mainly focus on the quantity, invoice copy mainly focus on the amount, shipping charges, and those information. So this is the way how they can do the receipt and Miro. And once the Miro is completed, right, the vendor balances will be visible. The T code FBL1N. Okay, FBL1N they can use, or they just verify that all the pending payments, and if they activated the automatic payment, then it will be automatic payment will be performed by the system. This is the way how real-time goods movement happen. When the physical goods received, what exactly happened, but we generally know that MIGO, Miro, but what exactly the real things happen, that we can see. So 99 only received means the 99 quantity only they will plan for the receipt. This is the way how a company will receive the stock, and what are the physical activities happen. You can see here the truck driver or those people will bring the documents, and if few companies may not pass the invoice copy with the truck driver, they directly send the invoice copy through email or any other mode of interface. They will send that invoice copy directly to the logistics team or directly to the finance team. And the packing slip, the physical goods always should come with a document, right? If they cross any kind of toll gates, or when they cross the borders, then definitely they have to show that this is the order. It is bought by a customer and we are shipping the goods to customer A. So those information, everything available in the packing slip. and the stores will verify, then they do the goods issue in the system. After that, mirror will be happening, and someone will move the stock. Okay, either they will use any kind of a container, or else they will just move truck. The forklift will be there. The forklift will be happening like this. So the forklift can carry the goods. Here a person will be there. The forklift can carry and keep it here. This is the way how stock will be received in the warehouse. In the real time, you need to understand what exactly documents will be carried and what exactly system will do later. The system transactions anyway you can practice, but physically you need to understand what are the different departments are involving during this case. I hope this video has given you a good understanding about the real-time scenario. How does it happen in the exact warehouse? If you have not visited any warehouse, I hope this video helped you to understand. Please provide your comments and how does you feel this kind of real-time scenario. And if you have any kind of inputs or any kind of suggestions, please comment. And also, if you like the video, please provide your valuable comments to encourage me. Keep sharing our videos to help maximum people. Thank you.